we had abnormal watering voice for previous month, so I figured out that we have underground leak, and I managed to find it. Today we have a relatively simple job to do, and that is to fix a leaking underground water hose. The leak is exactly here, so what I want to is to cut the hose there and use this connector and fix the leak. To be 100% sure, I'm gonna let the water flow and see what happens. Okay, we see that the leak is here definitely. So we're gonna cut the hose there. I don't have the pipe scissors, so I'm gonna try to cut with this angle grinder, Parkside Professional. Okay, that went great. And what I need to do now is to take this and I should cut around there. The major problem now is that I need to control these two parts and get this on it. It should fit, at least I hope, but maybe I need to get under this, and because you need to control the pipe, and this one is really sturdy in the ground, so I really need to move this a bit and try to move this down so I can control the pipe and get them in level, like in good old days when I was line worker. I was getting some help from my friend who is doing this work all the time, so he explained to me how everything goes. So first we have here, and then this, and after that this ring, and finally we put this rubber ring like that. It looks simple. Let's see here. And like that. So that should be like that. Okay. Waste of time and material or success? Yep, it's leaking here. Okay, here we are again. I got another plastic made connector. So I wanted to avoid destroying concrete part on the other side, so I can try and use this plastic made connector, which is a bit bigger, and I really hope that I can manage and get proper connection with it. So let's try and do it. should go like this, and now we need to bend it and place it here. So it all, oh fuck, I turned this wrong. So everything should go like this, and when you start screwing these parts, it should tighten and be watertight. It looks good, if nothing else. You know what? This isn't leaking at all. Believe it or not, I made it. I literally made it, and the funny story about this is that I originally wanted to buy this plastic connector, water pipe connector, but the guy who is working with all these things told me, you know, buy this from metal, it is better. I know, yes it is, but it is less forgiving, and I really had great experiences with these in the past, so I listened. That guy purchased the more expensive part, which with it I had a lot of troubles, like you've seen it, and this is literally it. It is completely dry. There is no drop of water at all. Job done, guys. I hope you learned today something.